How to process trauma. Acknowledge the trauma. Acknowledge that the trauma happened and that it affected you. Reflect and explore. This is not about remembering in general what happened, not relieving the trauma. Reflect and explore what happened and how it affected you. Grieve. Grieve for what you missed out on because of the trauma. Give yourself the time and space you need to grieve in your own way. Seek support if needed. Feel. It's normal to feel uncomfortable emotions. Don't ignore, rationalize, or push them away. Work with them. Release what you need to until you feel relief. Don't beat yourself up. You'll be prone to negative self-talk. Remind yourself it wasn't your fault. Challenge negative beliefs. Your beliefs and mindset may have resulted from the trauma. Examine the evidence and consider different perspectives to develop a more realistic mindset. Integrate. Accept that the trauma happened and learn to live with it. But realize that you are not what happened to you but how you choose to handle it. Seek support. Don't be scared to ask help. You don't have to do this alone. Practice self-care and compassion. Taking care of and being kind to yourself is crucial. Healing from trauma is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time, and remember to be kind to yourself along the way. You are stronger than you think, and help is always available when you need it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes. Your recovery gateway.